Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Presenting my next vlog on how nightlife pans out on the Palolem beach as we walk from one end of the beach to other end, showing how various beach shacks deck themselves up vibrantly each night. The nightlife in Palolem beach is a bit laid back as compared to what you would find in North Goan beaches like the Baga and the Kalangot. The nightlife in Palolem beach is best suited for those who wish to relax, unwind and recharge themselves in one's own company or in the company of their loved ones. This is the Tyson Place Chinatown Beach Shack. This is the Dreams of Palolem Beach Shack, lit in dim yellow light ambience along with candlelit tables in front of it. Next to it is a small tattoo parlor that is open from morning to late night. Romantic candlelit dinners are laid out in front of all the shacks, and the shacks themselves too are decked up in colorful vibrant lighting in the night. This is the Magic World Beach Shack, which in my personal choice is the most beautifully decked up beach shack of Palolem Beach. One should definitely try out this beach shack in the night. This is the beautifully lit up Rocco Pelton Beach Shack. This is the Royal Touch Beach Shack with live fish counter in front of it. Most of the shacks here have live fish counters set up at night where one can select our choice of live fish and then it is fry cooked or tandoored as per our choice and is served with french fries and salad. This is the Coco Beach Shack where I had dinner on one of the nights and the food served was very tasty too. They have a beautiful two-floor beach shack. Right next to it is the famous Samsung Kayak outlet. This is their live fish counter. Soft and soulful music is played out by the shacks here in the night that adds a special charm to the overall ambience on this beach at night time. Palolem Beach is mostly preferred by foreigners, couples or the families who wish to spend their quality time with their loved ones. This is the round cube beach bungalows lit up at night with small beach shack inside it. There was a little beach birthday being celebrated here, decorated all around the table with candles on the beach and helium balloons. This was the shack where we had our first dinner on the day of our arrival. The sea was very rough that day with sea waters almost touching the shack steps. This beach shack looked a bit special as the beach beds are being laid out in the night too, which is usually not the case with the other beach shacks here. This was the Cape San Francisco Beach Shack, again lit up in dim yellow lighting ambience. This is the beach shack of Cafe Del Mar, lit up in white lighting. They have the most premium candlelit dinner setup as compared to the other beach shacks here. This is the Sierrans Beach Resort, which is again one of the most premium beach resorts of Palolem Beach. This is the Paradise Gunu Guest House. They have permanent structured rooms and are available for rent throughout the year. This is the Cape Silver Star Beach Restaurant, which is part of the Silver Star Resort. Again, this is a permanent structure unlike the other beach shacks and is open for most of the year. Palolem nightlife is not suited for those who are looking for loud music and dance parties, although there are few places that organize dance techno parties like the Leopard Valley, silent noise parties like the Neptunes, Sundowners and the Lost Paradise, to name a few. This is the Draupadi Beach Restaurant, which is the first beach restaurant on the left side as we enter the Palolem beach. This too is open for most part of the year. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel, click the like button and add in your valuable comments, and stay tuned to my channel as many more amazing Goan videos are coming up. Thanks for watching, bye and take care.